Hi guys, welcome back to Lennox Bennett channel. If you're not a subscriber, you're missing out a lot. Alright, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. You need to contact me. It's 549-2161. This is the 2024 paper. Let's go. It says the number 3.14 063 written corrected to 3 decimal places is. So we're gonna correct it to 2 decimal places. Let's go, guys. Let's go. So we have 14063. So it means 3 number must come after the decimal point. So we have 1, 2, 3. But we go to the fourth one. If it's 5 and over, we add 1. So that's 3.14. Congrats to all who passed this exam. Alright, what percentage of 40 is 8? So it's 8 over 40 times 100%. This was done on a previous paper. If you have not watched those videos, guys, you're missing out on a lot as well. If you're not subscribed, you're missing out on a lot. So just do the right thing. Do the right thing. This is actually 5. And then 5 into 5, 1. 5 into this, 20. I teach us a mathematics. I think faster than all my right. Alright, so in standard notation, 208.06 is written as. So we have 208.06. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to take the decimal place to right here. So we're going to move 1, 2 times, right? So it's 2.0806 times 10 to the number of places that we move, and it's actually 2 places. So we need to determine if it's positive or negative. In this case, it would have been positive, because when we multiply this, it's going to give us back this. So it's positive 2, so that's C. Number 4 says, what is the least number of apples that can be shared equally among 6, 10, or 15? So what they want is basically the lowest common multiple of 6, 10, and 15. So we have 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. We could try 10. So we have 10, 20, 30, and of course we have 15 plus 15. So that's 30. Let's move on to number 5. If 350 are shared in the ratio 2 to 3, the larger share is, so we add the ratio first, so it's going to be 2 plus 5. We need the total shares, or the total parts, which is 7, and the larger one is 5 out of the 7 times by what? 350. 70 itself 1, 70 this 5 times, and 0. So 5 times 5, which is 250. Hit the like button if you're just joining, guys. Make sure you subscribe if you are not subscribed. You're missing out on a lot. Let's go. Number 6, there are 40 students in a class. Girls make up 60% of the class. 25% of the girls wear glasses. How many girls in the class wear glasses? If you're wearing glasses and you're a girl, big up yourself. Alright, so guys, it's 40 students, so let's find 60% of that 40. Because we need to know how many girls, right? So that's 60% of the 40. Alright, let's go. So we can go, so boom, 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 boom. So you have a total of 24 girls, but only a quarter of that are 25%. So 25% is the same as dividing by 4. So let's find 25% of 24. 25 into itself 1, 25 into 100, 4, 24, 1, 20, 24, 6 times. So that's 6 girls. Big up girls, big up if you wear glasses. If the universal set U is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and H is equal to 3, 4, 6, then H prime, alright, hold on. So complement means what's not in H. So I could just do them one at a time. So in H you have 3, 4, and 6. So that means in H you don't have 1, 2, 5. So that's B. Which of the following statement describe a set of integers from -3 to 6, +6? So it must be included. So yeah, not this one. Nearly cheap. We need that too. Yeah, it will be this one. So you include from -3 to +6. So x is less than or equal to -3. X is less than or equal to +6. If x and y are two finite sets such that the number in x is 9 and the number in y is 10 and the union is equal to 15, I always like draw this. I don't know why. I don't know why. Hit the like button, guys, if you are just joining. Remember to share with a friend, Mr. Bennett will be here to the very end. So now, I can call that one here x, which is the big X and the big Y, right? And this is 9, this is 10. And when you combine everything, you get 15 and they want to find x. So what you can see, the number in x rather, plus the number in y is the big Y, minus the small x, and that must equal to the union of x and y. Now, if put in the number, make it make sense now. So we have 9 plus 10 minus x. What was it again? 15? 15. So that gives you 19 minus x, and that equals to 15. So transpose, so it's going to be minus x equal 15 minus 19. So we can see that it's going to be -4 equal x. So x is equal to 4. You know there's something there. We're not supposed to find negative x, we're supposed to find x. So that works out to 4. Let's go now. It says item 10 refer to the following Venn diagram. The Venn diagram x represents the set of factors of 12, y represents the set of factors of 9, the shaded region represents. So factors are numbers that can go into a number without leaving a remainder. So I'm going to list the factors of 12 and the factors of 9. So what are the numbers that are common? So in 12 you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12 itself. Alright. For 9 you have 1, 3, and 9. So that's about 1 and 3. 1 common and 3 common. Oh, hold on. It says in the Venn diagram, x represents the set of factors of y. Y represents the set of factors of 9. Shaded region represents the set of all factors of 3. So 1 and 3. So that means it's a factor of 3. Alright, let's move on to 11. Which of the following pair of sets is example of a disjoint? So we have whole numbers and rational numbers, multiples of 5, multiples of 10, multiples of 2, multiples of 3, even numbers and odd numbers. This is it. These are disjoint set. Alright, let's move on to number 12. Disjoint means that they have nothing in common. There's no element that is common to both. Alright, let's move on to number 12. The 30 students in Teacher May's class have either a dog or a cat or none of the two. Alright, all of the students who have a cat also have a dog. Let me see that me know what. One contain the other. Alright, here we go. It's definitely D. Alright, let's move on to number something. I'm not sure. Number 13. Excluding sales tax, how much will be saved when a video which costs $12 is sold at 20% discount? Excluding sales tax, how much will be saved? Alright, so then just want the percentage. So it's 20% of 12. 20 itself, 1, 20.5. Guys, and if we come back for a second part, 5 into 5, 1, 5 into 12, that was 2 times, remainder 2 over 5. So that is the C. It says EC Caribbean 250. Big up where Caribbean country you are from, guys. Type your country right there. If you use EC, Eastern Caribbean, big up yourself. Type it in the comment section. Big up on yourself, guys. Wherever you are from. Jamaica as well. Big up yourself. If Eastern 250 is equivalent to US $1, then Eastern Caribbean. So what we're gonna do is just divide $20 by 2.5. I'm gonna double both of them. So this is gonna be 40 divided by 5. So 5, 8, 40. So that's, guys, you don't have to know them little style here. If you double both numbers, get rid of the decimal. You see? Alright, 15 says the cash price of a television set is $250. When bought on hire purchase, a deposit of $35 is required, followed by 12 monthly payments of $30. How much you save by paying cash? So for work out the hire purchase. So the deposit, if you do your SPA on hire purchase, you should be able to do this quite easy. The deposit, how you do to get the trust. Put to the link me a brand ambassador or singer. Alright, so that's a $35. And then the 12-month installments is gonna be 12 times 30. Alright, I'm gonna take out 10. 10 times is 120. 120 times that $360. So that's a total of this, which is 593. And the higher purchase, the cash price was $350. So all we have to do subtract to get how much we have saved, which is $45. Very nice question. A company employs 20 persons as gardeners and clerks. The mean daily wage of all the employees is $22.40. If each of the 12 gardeners is paid $26 per day, then the daily amount paid to each of the 8 clerks. Alright, first of all, I'm going to find the aggregate score. Since we know that the average is 22.40, we could figure out how much for the aggregate score, and then we can take it from there. Alright, so the aggregate score would be 22.40 times the 20. Alright, I'm going to split that 20 here in a 10 times 2. So if I multiply this by 10, that's 224. So you multiply by 10, that's 224. Can you move the decimal, please? Times it by 2 now. This will give you the aggregate score. So 2 4s 8, 2 2s 4, 2 2s 4. So this is the aggregate of all of it. We add up to. So now it says now, if each of the 12 gardener is paid $26. So gardener, we know the gardener amount, which is 26 times 12. We can do it by 10 and 2. 260. 260 times 2. That's 300 also. So I'm going to do 2 times 10. Oh, this is 12. Alright, let me do it long way. Can't work same way, but let me do 260 is 12, 2 carry 1. 2 2s 4 and 1 5. That's 52. Put down the 0. 166. 122. So this give you 2. This give you 1. So it's 312. So all we have to do now is just subtract 312 from this, which will give you the aggregate for the next one, and then we divide it by whatever. So 2 from that leaves 6, 1 from that leaves 3. So that's 136 divided by 8. 136 divided by 8. That should give us the average for that. Let's go, let's go. So 8 into this, you can't. 8 into this, 1. 8 ones 8. I need 2, so that's 5. 56. 87 is 56. So that's $17. Very nice question, CXC. Very nice question. I must give you guys that. Guys, ensure that you understand the concept. Alright, not just the solution. Alright, let's go. Let's go. We're gonna come back for part 2. Make sure you subscribe. A man annual salary is 45,000. His tax-free allowance is 13,000. He has to pay a tax of 20% on his taxable income. So that is happening. Let us break it down. So that time annual salary, which is 45,000. But guess what? You have tax-free allowance. That means you don't have pay no tax on that. So the government normally use to encourage you. They say, oh, you're better than the rest. You don't have to pay tax on that. So on this is gonna pay tax on this amount, which is 32,000. So it's only gonna pay tax on the 32,000. The 13,000 is tax free. So let us find 20% off this, of the 32,000. Of course, you know that once it's 20%, it's like dividing by 5. So I'm not gonna divide by 5 now. 5 into this goes 6 times. So this is the answer. You can work it out, guys, alright? Alright, a salesman sells a car for $10,500. If he's paid a commission of 5% for the first 10,000 and 8% on the remainder, then the total commission he received is. So I'm going to break it down. I like that these questions, you know, they make you have to think. So on the first one is you're gonna pay 5% on the first 10. So that's 5% on the first 10,000. So let's go find 5% now. So you're gonna pay 5 times 100, which is $500. So now on the remainder you're gonna pay 8%. Now we already take out the 10,000, so you only have 500. So we're gonna find 8% of the 500. As remember, it's 10,500, right? Boom, boom, 8540. Add these two, and that should be our answer. 540. Very nice question again, CXC. Number 19 says a man basic wage for a 40-hour week is $160. He's paid $5 per hour for overtime. If he works 6.5 hours overtime in a certain week, then his wage for that week is, let me break it down first of all, right? So you work 45 hours, that's what I'm getting. But they already give you 160. So you get a 160, that's how you get the 40 hour. We're done with that. If he works if he's paid $5 per hour for overtime. So if he did 5 hours, no, if he's paid $5 per hour and he works 6.5 hours, so all we have to do is just multiply 6.5 by the 5, right? So that's the rate, and that's the time. 5, 5, 25. 5, 6, 30, and that's 32. So we add the 160 to 32, that's definitely $192. Guys, I need to pay, you know, when she pay and things, and me ask scammer. So let me reply to her. Just give me a second, guys. You're a new customer and you still yet. Alright, so that's that. 20 now. Should I stop at 20, guys? And then do it a 3-part video. A calculator which is marked $120 is sold for cash at 30% discount. How much change would Susan receive if she pays for the calculator with a $100 bill? I'm going to just break it down. So a calculator which mark 120 is sold for cash at a 30% discount. How much change? Alright, so let me find the discount amount. So you're only gonna pay 70%. So let me find 70% off $120. Think about it, guys. If you're paying discount, means you have to pay less, right? So let's go. This done, this done, this done, this done. So this is where I go pay. 7 times 12, which is 84. 7 2 is 14, 4 carry 1, 717. So you pay $84 and you give them $100. So it simply means you have $16 left. Should we stop here, guys, and do it a 3 part, or should we try continue to 30? Right. Megan normally save X dollars per month. Again, guys, write down these as I go along. August, she saved $4 less than twice her usual amount. So her usual amount, that would have been 2x minus. Alright, 22 says if m asterisk n is equal to m cubed minus n squared, then 5. Alright, I can work out this part first. So that's going to be 5 raised to the third minus 2 to the square. So now we have what? 125 minus 4, which work out to 121. We have to find the square roots. So this work out to 11. So the new number what we're working with is 11. So it's going to be 5 asterisk 11. Let's go now. So it's going to be 5. So we don't need a part there. 5 to the third minus 11 squared, which will give us 125. 11 times 11, 121. So that is give us the square root of 4, which is 2. Very nice question, CXC. You go for yourself, you know. This was a more thinking paper. Item 20 is where you can't take CXC for granted, guys. Do not sleep on the multiple choice. Item 20 is the following diagram of the trapezium. The trapezium with height h as an area of x centimeters squared. The height of the trapezium expressed in terms of x is, oh, they want the height. So how did we get here? This is the formula. A plus b divided by 2 times h is equal to the height, equal to the area. What am I saying? I put big A. So now, look at what them say. Them say this A, it'll be 2. So 2 plus x minus 4 over 2, and that must equal to x squared. Alright, let's see if we can work it down from this. Alright, we get rid of the bracket. If I multiply by 1, I get rid of the bracket, so I get x. So this will be x minus 2. The top work out to x minus 2 over 2 equal to x squared. Let me see if that did as an option. If that not did it, we have to times this by 2. Alright, let me see. X minus 2 over 2x squared. Oh, but I didn't have h. Let's have h for the h yourself, alright? So you want to make h the subject. So boom. So h will equal to 2x squared. Alright, so you have times this by 2, and then now this at times you have to divide by x minus 2. This was a really tough exam, you know. I like it, I like it. Well, yeah. You make you think, guys. You make you think. Alright, so that's 23. Let's stop at 30. 24, 3 minus x minus 2 is, so we remove the bracket, x that are going to give minus x, negative times negative, positive, and then that will give a 5 minus x. So see, they have minus, alright, see there. Alright, 25 says if 5n plus 1 times 5n plus 2 is the same as, so all we have to do is just add them, so it's going to be n plus n. So okay, positive 1 plus 2, which will give us 2n plus 3. So that's B. Alright, let's move on to 26. If 5 bracket y minus 2 is equal to 3 bracket dot dot dot, then the value of x is, so let's expand the bracket. 5 times y, 5y. 5 times 2, that's 10. 3 times y is 3y. And 3 times 4 is 12. So we have 5y minus 3y, because we're going to transpose now, right? And then we have 12. Because this is negative, we're going to add 10 to both sides. So that's plus 10. So this gives us 2y. 12 plus 10, that's 22. And then we divide by 2. So I see my answer now, which is 22 divided by 2, which is 11. Alright, very nice question again, CXC. 27 says, if p is equal to 3, 7 and 2 is equal to negative 2, 5, then the vector p minus 2, 2 represented by, let's go. So p is going to be 3, 7, and then we minus 2q. So we're going to expand the bracket by 2. 2 times 2, that's negative 4. 2 times 5, 10. Why am I right? 5. So 2, 5, we multiply everything by 2. 2 times that, right? So it's going to be 3 minus 7. No, 3 minus 4 and 7 minus 10. So 3 plus 4 is 7. And then this now would be minus 3. Alright, so my answer is C. Hit the like button if you have not done so, guys. Ensure so you subscribe if you have not subscribed as yet. So you can get part 2 when it comes out. Item 28 refers to the following diagram of a parallelogram in which EF is parallel to HG, EH is parallel to FG, and EF equal K. I'm just putting what we know. You know that once they're parallel, they're going in the same direction and they are the same. Alright, that's how we know. What else now? We say express from E to G, from E to G. So we're going here. Which route I'm going to take? I'm going to take this one. So I'm going to go EH. I'm going to go from E to H. And then I'm going to go from H to G. Alright, I'm going with the arrow. So this is positive. So both of them positive. So M plus K or K plus M is the same thing. Let's move on to 29. Hit the like button if you have not done so, guys. If 5 bracket x minus xy equal that and that, then the value of x is, let's work it out. So 5 times x is 5x. 5 times y is 5y. And that must equal to 40. 4 times 10 is 40. So we can find x from there. And then 4 times that, 80. So we divide by 5 to get x. So x is equal to 8. Only one of them have 8. And of course, to get y, we divide by 5, which is 16. Alright, let's move on to 30. Or should I just do 31 as well? Item 30 refers to the following matrix. The inverse of A minus 1 given by, so they wanted to find the inverse of this. Now, every matrix is in the form A, B, C, D. So all we do, we multiply A times D, so it's 2 times 4 minus 1 times 7 to find the determinant. So 2 4 is 8 minus 7, which is 1. So the determinant are 1. Alright, we swap the position of that. So 4 go up there, so 2 go there. So we change the sign of these, so that's negative 1, negative 7. Now, CXC, I play some mind game with you. This is actually the answer. But guess what? They took away the determinant because it doesn't matter. 1 over 1 does not matter. So they took away that just to show off students' game. Oh my word, there are something else. Alright, my subscribers know. So guys, we're gonna come back for part 2. Should I do 31? If you took a speedboat 9 hours to travel a distance of 1,008 kilometers, what is the average speed? I could just do that one here and done. But you guys get for this one. Big up, guys. Represent your country. We're from Trinidad, Guyana, Jamaica, Belize, Grenada, St. Vincent, Miss Bahamas, Cayman Island. If you're in the USA, Canada, big up yourself. So all we have to do, divide by 9. 9 into 10, that's 1 time, remainder 1. So that's 2 and 0. So it's 120. Alright, so those of you who want to join my awesome online class, say in grade 10 and you want to join it, this is the number, guys. You know the spaces go fast, so link me as soon as possible. Alright, share this with a friend. Share it with a friend. Mr. Bennett will be here to the very end. See you again in another video. The next minute tomorrow, no doubt. I'll see you guys in another video.